Canceling an order on Stockx is a straightforward process. Let's walk through the steps. Log in to Stockx. Visit the Stockx website and log in to your account. Access your profile. Once logged in, navigate to your profile section. View your orders. Look for the Buy section within your profile to view your active orders. Select the order. Locate the order you wish to cancel. Click on it to proceed with the cancellation process. Cancellation process. Follow the prompts to initiate the cancellation. You may be asked to provide a reason for the cancellation. Fill out the required details. Confirm cancellation. After providing the necessary information, confirm the cancellation request. Review confirmation. Once the cancellation is successful, you should receive a confirmation message. Order status update. Check your order status to ensure that it reflects the cancellation. Completion. Your Stockx order is now canceled, and you should receive any applicable refunds or adjustments accordingly. That's it. You've successfully canceled your Stockx order.